Hey, what's up everyone? What if you want an Apple Watch but you don't want to spend all that money and you don't really want all those apps, bells and whistles that come with it? Possibly you want a cheaper watch, much cheaper, just around $30 with all the same looks, a few features less but a few extra bucks saved. Then I know exactly what you're looking for and we have something for you. Here is the Rowatch 2S from Rogbid. It's light, it's cheap, it's got the looks and it does the job. And it's just for $29. So let's see if it's worth the price or it's just an ugly dent in the pocket. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done yet. Any point of time if you like to buy this watch, there are discounted links in the description below. Now that we have the watch, so let's unbox it quickly, and while unboxing we can have a look at the specification. As you know, the watch is Rowatch 2S. Its shape is rectangular and it's got a dimension of 43.5, 31.5 and 9.52 mm. The weight is 45 gram. It comes in 4 colors, that is black, pink, green and silver. It's got display of TFT, 1.65 screen inch, screen resolution of 240 by 295, and it's compatible with Android and iOS both. It's got a heart rate sensor and a G sensor with Bluetooth 5.0. Multi-sport mode includes 25 sport modes, and it's got a heart rate monitor plus a blood oxygen monitor. It's waterproof IP68 rating, and it's got additional features, a lot of them, which includes sedentary reminders, sleep monitor, alarm, barometer, brightness adjusting, etc. It's got a battery capacity of 180 mAh and its normal usage of 5 to 7 days, while they say there's 21 days standby. You can tether this or connect this with your Android or iOS using the GloryFit app, and the strap is made of silicone. The price is $29 and that's it. So there are a few downsides. It doesn't have microphone, GPS, speaker or thermometer, but that's okay because you're saving a lot on the cost. Now as we have the watch, it feels nice and a bit heavy for its size. We have the charging port, 2-pin charging and nicely illustrated user manual and a warranty card. It doesn't have many accessories, but it's a good combo of all the goodies. Telling you about the watch, Rogbid Rowatch S2 is one of the latest smartwatches from Rogbid in 2021. It is a sporty smartwatch that got a square design with 1.65 inch large IPS screen and is equipped with several features including a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, 24 sport mode, IP68 Waterproof and many more. This watch includes a bunch of sport modes such as running, jogging, swimming, cycling, biking, badminton, table tennis, climbing, basketball, football, volleyball, dancing, yoga, bowling, etc. And you can also control your music with it, camera control, even stress training. And that's not all. Under the health monitor, it's got heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and sleep tracker, making it more than just a fitness tracker. Like most of the traditional health trackers, Smart Tracker can monitor your steps, calories burned calculators, sport mileage and sleep quality status up to 24 hours a day while syncing with your GloryFit app. The GloryFit app requires Android 5.0 or iOS 9.0 and above, or Bluetooth 5.0 and above, compatible with most of the Android iOS phones. This smartwatch can also enjoy up to 30 days of battery life per full charge. Now about the design. As you see in the video, the Rowatch 2S comes in a square shape that looks pretty sporty, stylish and fit for both men and women, measuring 43.5 in length, 31.5 in width and 9.52 mm in thickness, and weighing about 45 grams. This watch perfectly resembles the Apple Watch in all dimensions. There's one physical button on the right side of the case. It's responsible for the function of turning on, running back, interface switching. The reverse side of this device receives a typical configuration. There are magnetic contacts for charging and a heart rate sensor. The wearable body is made of zinc alloy while the strap is available in silicone. Let me brief you about the display screen now. The watch has a 1.65 inch large TFT touchscreen curved with 2.5D glass and created with a resolution of 240 x 295 pixels. The wearable is also packed with a variety of watch faces and available in black, silver, pink and green color. Now let's talk about the few sport features of the watch. The Rogbid Rowatch 2S is an IP68 waterproof smartwatch. You can wear it while you're washing your hands or on rainy days, even while swimming. The wearable has a heart rate sensor which collects data on your heart rate over 24 hours. The model also helps you to control your sleep thanks to its complete sleep monitor. It also has a pedometer and allows us to control and estimate the calories burned throughout the day. In addition to the features, the Rogbid Rowatch 2S featuring 1.65-inch large touchscreen which contains 24 sport modes allow you to control a variety of exercises and understand your health more intuitively by displaying your sports data vividly in a way that is easy to understand. Receiving and read SMS messages and your SMS notifications straight to your device, including Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. etc. You can also use the watch to completely control your mobile phones, to take your photo, play and pause music, and query weather information. Now about the battery. The watch has a 220 mAh battery capacity which runs up to 5 to 7 days on the normal usage and 30 days on the standby time. Now we speak about the price, which is the best feature of the watch. The price is only $29. And if you want to buy the watch at the same price, there are discounted links in the description below directly from the manufacturer. So it is not going to go to any channel. You can buy it directly from the manufacturer, which is Rogbid, where you can find the best prices. Now that we're done with the review, let's see what's the pros and the cons of the watch according to the specs. The good sides are that it's got an elegant design, 1.65 large TFT screen, 4 kinds of head monitoring and suitable for swimming, 24 sport mode, Bluetooth 5.0, and it can be connected to your phone, to your mobile, and give your vitals and your health activities, etc. It's also got a very attractive price that will attract most of the young users and for the people who are willing to buy the smartwatch for the first time in their life. So before buying an Apple or a Samsung, they want to try with something which is like more economical, and they want to get used to the vibe of the smartwatch and whether they can commit themselves to a smartwatch in long run or not. And once they make that decision, they just dump this watch and they can buy a Samsung or an Apple or even expensive watches. On the downside, it doesn't support Bluetooth calling. That's one bad thing about the smartwatch. It also doesn't have a built-in GPS. So while doing all this running, sporting activities and all that, you'll not be able to directly check the phone whether how much you have run, what's the distance and what's your position from before and after. You have to connect it with your phone, you have to tether it, and then it will give you the right amount of information. Well, I would see this as a downside. Plus it doesn't have a speaker or a mic, so voice commands, and also you cannot hear anything from your phone smartwatch. So that's a few of the features that I'm not very supportive of, but overall the watch is really good. And as a starter, the market is the starter. So as a starter and as a young person, I would always prefer to take this watch. So that's it. I hope you would find this review informative and it will help you make a decision on buying a smartwatch. Please do comment about this watch and whether you like this video, whether we should add something else. And if you want a free giveaway, make sure to like this video, and if we have 100 likes on this video, I will make sure that we have a giveaway of the same smartwatch in our next video. So until then, thank you so much. If you ever want to buy this watch, there are discounted links in the description below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video as much as possible. Until then, take care and bye.